Well, this is my generic 10.5 pistol. Shut up! You ever want peace and quiet? Don't have kids.
Don't have kids.
You'll never be able to even show anything. You can't do anything because they won't ever shut up.
It's so true. It's sad.
But, like I was trying to say 30,000 freaking times, this is marketed as not a shockwave blade. This uses set screws like the shockwave, but the guy that I got it from, he marred the crap out of this pistol buffer tube. Well, I was gonna order a shockwave brace, but I went with this. I'm gonna make this one as cheap as possible, and like I said, he over tightened it, and this is a pretty big guy, so I don't even think he could realistically hold the gun comfortably. So I took it off his hands for a pretty good deal. It's got your standard A2 flash hider. I like the looks of it, but it's gonna be a beat up range toy, you know, truck gun, whatever you want to call it, inexpensive beater. But yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff on here. Like I said, I got this from Optics Factory. You can get the metal generic stuff. This was like $12, and this was only $20. I wish I had the money. I would have just splurged for the SB Tactical. Maybe I can here in a couple weeks, but I bought a Savage 30-06 to go hunting with, and that was like $300. So I gotta, you know, recuperate from my previous spend. I bought that Saint, the Taurus G3C. That was about $1,300 for all that stuff. So, but I'll get back. I'll put the hand stop on, and I'm just waiting on my actual Magpul flip ups. Let me show you what this looks like. Don't want everybody to have my address because, you know, I wouldn't want you guys sending me like AR parts or ammo or anything like that in the mail. But if you want to, I'll leave my address in the section. Oh, no. Let's see here. Bypass that. A Falcon Classic. Captain Falcon gave me this blade, and then he Falcon punched me.
Falcon
but it was
punch!
worth it. But it looks like it's missing a back, but it's not. Import restrictions. These better not be fake. I paid $80 for these damn things. Better be the real deal. Okay, there's the screw. That's how you usually can tell. And the thread lock. Good to go. Check both of them. Usually on the fakes, they use a screwdriver screw. Can't think of what it's called, but yeah, these are real. The counterfeits come in this package, though. They look just like this. But if you order from Optics Planet, you know you'll get real stuff. So I encourage ordering from Optics Planet, because eBay, you can find these things for $30 for a set of fakes. But if you want the real thing, get them off Optics Planet or any other certified vendor. That's what I would recommend. But to slap these on my little 10.5, And also my pistol. Yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the real deal Magpul sights. It's sad that we live in a world that I have to say that, but I've seen so many fakes and people trying to sell fakes. But what I was trying to say is the real Magpul flip-ups will have the logo on the screw, and it will have this, but this is my empty magazine. Get the finger stop. I'm gonna go with a gray pistol grip to match the sights. I only got the gray ones because they were $20 cheaper than the black and FDE, and it doesn't matter to me what color they are. But this is what it looks like so far. I still have 0 rounds through it. And what I forgot to mention in the last little segment was this tightens right here and not underneath like the Shockwave, so you don't actually put the screw into the tube. It just tightens around here, and it's pretty sturdy so far. And this is literally called not a Shockwave blade. So this is the poor build, and this is a little preview of got my hands on this. I actually got rid of my Canik Compact Elite, and I got this, so I think they go well together. But this is what it looks like so far with the Optics Factory hand stop, which is aluminum M-lock, and the not a Shockwave price, the flip-ups. So I'll make a video of it shooting hopefully tomorrow.